Hey guys, as you can see, we're making cheesecake bites, Nini's way. So stick around because you're in for a delicious treat. Let's jump right into this recipe. So for my crust, I'm just going to use graham crackers. I know everybody usually use those digestive biscuits, but this is the way that my mom used to make it. So I like to go for what I know. So I'm going to use the honey made graham crackers for my graham cracker crust. And as usual, as you can see that little small hand, I have my little helper helping me as usual. I think he is going to be a little cook as well. He really enjoys cooking and helping me in the kitchen. And here I'm just mixing in a little bit of that Kerrygold butter. This is my favorite butter. And I'm going to mix it in until it's well incorporated with my graham cracker crumbs. And here I'm just getting in there with my hands to check that consistency to make sure it's all ready to go. And here we're just filling up our cupcake pan with our cupcake baking cups. This is gonna make getting those cupcakes out of that pan a breeze once you've cooked them and also placed them in the refrigerator to cool overnight because we're gonna leave them in the pan. And here I'm gonna just start dividing that graham cracker crumble up for the graham cracker crust, and then I'm gonna pack it nice and tight. And I'm purposely not putting the same amount in all of the cupcake holders because here everybody likes different amounts of graham cracker crust on their cheesecake bites. For me, I know that I like more graham cracker than cheesecake, so some of them are going to have a little bit more. But my daughter, for example, she likes more cheesecake than graham cracker crust. So I'm just making them all different sizes on purpose. And I'm just going to get started on my filling. I have some cream cheese that I just heated in the microwave. I didn't remember to sit it out, so I just put it in the microwave about 15 seconds. I'm going to also put some sour cream in this as well. And I'll have all of the measurements down in the description because I only measure when I'm baking. When I'm cooking, I really don't do any measuring, but when I'm baking, I try to be a little bit more precise. Next, I'm coming in with my teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I'm just going to give it a good mix. Next, I'm coming in with my granulated sugar, and I'm also going to be adding the juice of half a lemon as well. Next, I'm going to come in with my egg, and then I'm going to mix that up, and I'm all done with my filling. Then I'm going to take my ice cream scoop and scoop out all of my filling. This ice cream scoop makes this so easy. It pretty much scoops the perfect amount. It's going to make exactly enough for 12 cheesecake bites. And guys, I will be baking this on 325 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. And this is what they look like when they come out of the oven. And this is them the next day after they've sat in the refrigerator overnight. And now I'm pretty much just going to decorate all of the cheesecake bites according to the preferences of my household, but you can put whatever toppings you like on your cheesecake bites. You'll see that I'm just going to put a variety of different toppings on all of the cheesecake bites. I'm also going to show you what the graham cracker crust looks like after I'm done decorating everything. see me just kind of change things around, because as I'm doing them, I realize, okay, one too many strawberries. I forgot to do the caramel. You know, I'm just thinking as I'm putting all the toppings on top of the cheesecake bites as to what flavor each one is supposed to be. And now for my favorite part, the taste test. I think they turned out pretty good. They definitely taste great. And I just wanted to show you what that graham cracker crust look like when it's done. I like a little, like I said, I like a little more graham cracker crust on mine. So this is the perfect one, and this is what it looks like. This cheesecake was so velvety and smooth. It was delicious, you guys. You gotta try it. And I had decided to throw some lemon in that spot because I ate the whole cheesecake bite. It was so good. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you're cooking, remember to cook with love. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.